Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlets, power door locks, power windows, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.